Hello students, today we are going to do the chapter named Microorganisms in Human Welfare. So this contains the PYQs of last 35 years NEET questions. So let's start. 1. Identify the microorganism which is responsible for the production of an immunosuppressive molecule cyclosporin A, which came in NEET 2022. Option A. Clostridium botulism, Aspergillus niger, Streptococcus cerevisiae, Trichoderma polysporum. So the correct option will be Trichoderma polysporum. Next question. Identify, these have been done, and the second question, match the following. This came in the 2021. List 1 contains Aspergillus niger, Acetobacteria aceti, Clostridium botulism, Lactobacillus. List 2 contains acetic acid, lactic acid, citric acid, and butyric acid. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. So the options are A. 4213, B. 3142, C. 1234, D. 2314. So the correct option will be option number B, that is 3142. So let's match. A will be with 3, B will be with 1, C will be with 4, and D will be with 2. So next question. This is also match the following. This came in 2020. Column 1 contains Clostridium botulism, Trichoderma polysporum, Monascus pauperis, Aspergillus niger. 1. Cyclosporin A, 2. Butyric acid, 3. Citric acid, and 4. Blood cholesterol level lowering agent. So the option A will be the correct, 2143. Next question. Which of the following is put into anaerobic sludge digester for further sewage treatment? This came in NEET 2020. Options are A. Floating debris, B. Effluents of primary treatment, C. Activated sludge, and D. Primary sludge. So the correct option will be the activated sludge. Next question. Match the following organisms with the products they produce. This came in NEET 2019. A. Lactobacillus, B. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, C. Aspergillus niger, D. Acetobacter aceti. 1. Cheese, 2. Curd, 3. Citric acid, 4. Bread, and 5. Acetic acid. So the correct option will be, let's match first. Lactobacillus will be curd, Saccharomyces will be bread, Aspergillus niger will be with citric acid, and Acetobacter aceti will be with acetic acid. So option B will be the correct. Next question. Which of the following is commercial blood cholesterol lowering agent? This came in 2019. So statin is the correct answer, option B. 7. Conversion of the milk to the curd improves its nutritional value by increasing the amount of A. Vitamin D, B. Vitamin A, C. Vitamin B12, and D. Vitamin E. So the correct option will be vitamin B12. Next question. Which of the following in sewage treatment removes suspended solid. This came in 2017. Option A, secondary treatment, B, primary treatment, C, sludge treatment, and D, tertiary treatment. So the correct option will be primary treatment. Next question, which of the following is correctly matched for the product produced by them? This came in NEET 2017. Option A, Methanobacterium, that is lactic acid. Option B, Penicillium notatum, that is acetic acid. Option C, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, that is ethanol. D, Acetobacter aceti, that is antibiotic. So the correct option will be Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Option C. Next question. The guts of the cow and buffalo possess A. Cholerae, B. Methanogens, C. Cyanobacteria, D. Fucus. So the correct option will be methanogens. Next question. Match the following list of microbes and their importance. A. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, B. Monascus perpetuus, C. Trichoderma polysporum, D. Propionibacterium shaharmani. 1. Production of immunosuppressive agent. 2. Ripening of the Swiss cheese. 3. Commercial production of ethanol. 4. Production of blood cholesterol lowering agent. So the match the following. So Saccharomyces cerevisiae will be with the commercial production of ethanol. B. Monascus perpetuus will be with the production of the blood cholesterol lowering agent. Trichoderma polysporum will be with production of immunosuppressive agent, and the D will be with the ripening of the Swiss cheese. Next question. What gases are produced in anaerobic sludge digester? Option A, methane and carbon dioxide only. Option B, methane, hydrogen sulfide and CO2. Option C, methane, hydrogen sulfide and O2. Option D, hydrogen sulfide and CO2. This came in 2014. So the correct answer will be methane, hydrogen sulfide and CO2. So this is option number B. Next question. During sewage treatment, biogases are produced which include option A, methane, oxygen, hydrogen sulfide. Option B, hydrogen sulfide, methane, sulfur dioxide. Option C, hydrogen sulfide, nitrogen, methane. And option D, methane, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide. This question came in NEET 2013. So the correct option will be methane, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide. So the correct option will be option number D. Next question. A good producer of citric acid is option A, Pseudomonas, option B, Clostridium, option C, Saccharomyces, option D, Aspergillus. So the correct option will be Aspergillus. This came in the NEET 2013. Next question. Monascus perpetuus is a yeast used commercially in the production of the. This question came in NEET 2012 and the options are ethanol, B, streptococcus, streptokinase for removing the clots from the blood vessel, option C, citric acid, and option D, blood cholesterol lowering agent. So the option will be option number D. Next question. A patient brought to a hospital with the myocardial infarction is normally immediately given. This question came in NEET 2012 and the options are A. Penicillin, B. Streptokinase, C. Cyclosporin A and D. Statins. So the correct option will be streptokinase. Option number B. Next question. Yeast is used in the production of the option A. Citric acid and lactic acid. Option B. Lipase and pectinase. Option C. Bread and beer. Option D. Cheese and butter. So the correct option will be the bread and butter. Next question. The domestic sewage in large cities. Option A has a high BOD as it contains both aerobic and anaerobic bacteria. BOD means biological oxygen demand. BOD important. B is processed by aerobic and the anaerobic bacteria in the secondary treatment in sewage treatment plant. STPs, when treated in STPs, does not really require the aeration step as the sewage contains adequate oxygen. Option D has very high amounts of suspended solids and dissolved salts. The correct option will be option number B, that is processed by aerobic and then anaerobic bacteria in the secondary treatment in the sewage treatment plants. Next question. Read the following statements having two blanks A and B. A drugs used for A patients is obtained from a species of the organism B. The correct option for the two blanks is A heart, B organ penicillium, B organ transplant trichoderma, C swine flu and monoscus, D AIDS and pseudomonas. So the correct option will be the organ transplant and the trichoderma. Next question. Which of the following is wrong matching of a microbe and its industrial product while treating the remaining three are correct? Option A is Eastern stain. The next option is in next page. Option B is Acidobacter aceti, that is acid. Option C Cyclotridium butyryllium lactic acid. Option D Aspergillus niger citric acid. So the correct option will be Clostridium butyryllium. Option C is the correct option. So question number 22, that is ethanol is commercially produced through a particular species of A. Saccharomyces, B. Clostridium, C. Trichoderma, D. Aspergillus. So the correct option will be the Saccharomyces. Next question. The most common substrate used in distilleries for production of ethanol is A. Corn meal, B. Soya meal, C. Ground gram, and D. Molasses. So the correct option will be the molasses. Next question. Secondary sewage treatment is mainly a physical process, mechanical process, chemical process, a biological process. So the correct option will be the biological process as it also includes the BOD. Next question. Which of the following is mainly produced in the activity of anaerobic bacteria on the sewage? A. Laughing gas, B. Propane, C. Mustard gas, and D. Marsh gas. So the correct option will be the marsh gas. So next question. Select the correct statement from the following. This came in 2010. Option A. Biogas is produced by the activity of the aerobic bacteria and animal waste. Option B. Methanobacterium is an anaerobic bacteria found in rumen of a cattle. Option C. Biogas, commonly called the gobar gas, is a pure methane. Option D. Activated sludge sediment in settlement tanks of sewage treatment plants is a rich source of aerobic bacteria. So the correct option will be option number D, that is the activated sludge sediment in settlement tanks of sewage treatment plants is a rich source of aerobic bacteria. Next question. Which one of the following pairs is wrongly matched? Option A. Alcohol, nitrogenous. Option B. Fruit juices, pectinase. Option C, textile amylase. Option D, detergent lipases. So the correct option is option A, alcohol nitrogenase. Next question. Trichoderma herzianum has proved a useful microorganism for option A, bioremediation of contaminated soil. Option B, reclamation of wasteland. Option C, gene transfer in higher plants. Option D, biological control of some borne plant pathogens. So the correct option will be option number D, that is biological control of the soil-borne plant pathogens. Our next question. Modern detergents contains enzyme preparation of option A, acidophiles, option B, alkaliphiles, option C, thermoacidophiles, and option D, thermophiles. So the correct option will be alkaliphiles. Next question. Probiotics are a cancer introducing microbes. Option B, new kind of food allergens. Option C, live microbial food supplements, and option D, safe antibiotics. So the correct option is the live microbial food supplement. The next question. Which one of the following pair is wrongly matched? A. Yeast ethanol. B. Streptomyces. Antibiotics. C. Coliforms and vinegar. And D. Methanogens and gobar gas. The correct option is coliforms and vinegars. The next question. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? Streptomyces, antibiotics. Serratia, drug addiction. Spirulina, single cell protein. Rhizobium, biofertilizer. The correct option will be the Serratia, drug addiction. Next question. Dough kept overnight in warm weather becomes soft and spongy because of A. Absorption of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. B. Fermentation. C. Cohesion and the osmosis. So the correct option will be the fermentation. And this is an important question. This came in 2004. Next question. The term antibiotic was first used by the option A, Fleming. Option B, Pasteur. Option C, Waxman. Option D, Lister. So the option C, Waxman will be the correct option. Next question. 35. During the formation of the bread, it becomes porous due to the release of the CO2 by action of option A, yeast. Option B, bacteria. Option C, virus. Option D, protozoans. So the correct option will be the yeast. Option number A. Next question. During the formation of the bread, it becomes porous due to the release. This has been done repeated question. And next question. Industrial production of ethanol from the starch is brought about by option A, Saccharomyces, option B, Lactobacillus, option C, Azotobacter, option D, Penicillium. So the correct option will be option A, Saccharomyces. Next question. Which of the following microorganisms is used for production of the citric acid in industries? So options are option A, Penicillium citrinium, option B, Aspergillus niger, option C, Rhizopus nigricans, and option D, Lactobacillus bulgaris. So the correct option will be Aspergillus niger. This question came in the NEET 1998. Next question. Yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used in the industrial production of option A, citric acid, option B, tetracycline, option C, ethanol, and option B, butanol. So the correct option will be the option C, ethanol. Next question. Which one of the following is not true about the antibiotics? The term antibiotic was first coined by Salman Waxman in the 1942. No. The first antibiotic was discovered by the Alexander Fleming. This is also no. Each antibiotic is effective only against one particular kind of germ. This is correct. And we have got this, but read the next. Some person can be allergic to a particular antibiotic. No. So the correct option will be option C, that is each antibiotic is effective only against one particular kind of germ. Next question. The organisms used for the alcoholic fermentation is option A, Pseudomonas, option B, Penicillium, option C, Aspergillus, option D, Saccharomyces. So the correct option will be the Saccharomyces. Next question. Bt cotton that was developed by the introduction of the toxin gene of Bacillus thuringiensis. Bt is resistant to option A, fungal disease, option B, plant nematodes, option C, insect predators, option D, insect pest. This question came in the NEET 2020 and the correct option will be the insect pest. Next question. Which of the following statement about the methanogens is not correct? Options are they produce methane gas. Option B, they can be used to produce biogas. Option C, they are found in the rumen of the cattle and excreta. Option D, they grow anaerobically and break down cellulose rich food. So the correct option will be the option D, they grow anaerobically and break down the cellulose rich food. Next question. Among the following pairs of microbes, which pair has both the microbes that can be used as biofertilizers? The options are A. Aspergillus and cyanobacteria. No. B. Aspergillus and Rhizopus. No. Option C. Rhizobium and Rhizopus. No. So these options are not correct. So the correct option will be the option D. Cyanobacteria and Rhizobium. Next question. Which one of the following microbes form symbiotic association with the plants and helps them in their nutrition? Option A, Azobacter, option B, Aspergillus, option C, Glomus, and option D, Trichoderma. So the correct option will be the Glomus. Next question. The nitrogen fixing microbe associated with Azolla in rice field is option A, Cyclospirulina, option B, Anabina, option C, Frankia, and option D, Tolliforax. And the correct option will be the Anabina. So the correct option will be option B. Next question. In gobar gas, the maximum amount is that of option A butane, option B methane, option C propane, and option D carbon dioxide. So the correct option will be the methane. Option B is the correct option. Next question. Which one of the following is an example of carrying out biological control of pests or diseases using microbes? Option A, Trichoderma against certain plants pathogen. This is the correct option. Next question. An organism used as a biofertilizers for raising soybean crops is option A, Azobacter, option B, Azospirillum, and option C, Rhizobium, and option D, Nostoc. So the correct option will be the Rhizobium. Option C is the correct option. Next question. Which one of the following helps in the absorption of the phosphorus from soil by plants? This question came in NEET 2011. So the options are A, Glomus, option B, Rhizobium, option C, Frankia, option D, Anabina. So the correct option will be the Glomus. Option A is the correct option. Next question. Which one of the following is not a biofertilizer? Option A, Azobacterium. Option B, Rhizobium. Option C, Nostoc. Option D, Mycorrhiza. So the correct option will be the Agrobacterium. That is option number A is the correct option. Next question. A common biocontrol agent for control of plant disease is option A, baculovirus, option B, Bacillus thuringiensis, option C, glomus, and option D, trichoderma. So the correct option will be the trichoderma. The option D will be the correct option. Next question. The common nitrogen fixer in paddy fields is option A, Rhizobium, option B, Azospirillum, and option C, Oscillatoria, option D, Frankia. So the correct option will be the Azospirillum. So the correct option will be the option number B. This question is very important. This came in 2010. Which one of the following is not used in organic farming? The options are A, glomus, A, B, earthworm, C, Oscillatoria, option D, snail. So the correct option will be the option D, snail. Next question. Which one of the following is linked to the discovery of the Bordeaux mixture as a popular fungicide? Option A, bacterial leaf blight of rice. Option B, downy mildew of grapes. Option C, loose smut of wheat. Option D, black rust of wheat. So the correct option will be the downy mildew of grapes. Option B is the correct option. Next question. For getting for rating of jute, the fermenting microbe used is option A, methophilic bacteria, option B, butyric acid bacteria, option C, Helicobacter pylori, option D, Streptococcus lactine. So the correct option will be the butyric acid bacteria. That is option number B is the correct option. Next question. Which of the following is a pair of biofertilizers? Option A, azolla and BGA. Option B, nostoc and legumes. Option C, rhizobium and grasses. Option D, salmonella and E. coli. This question is very much important, so remember this. Option A is the correct option, azolla and BGA. This came in NEET 2001. This is also from NCERT. Next question. The aquatic fern, which is an excellent biofertilizer, is option A, azolla, option B, salvinia, option C, marsilia, option D, petardium. So the correct option will be the option A, azolla. Next question. Due to which of the following organisms yield of rice has been increased? So the correct option will be the anabina. Next question. Which one of the following is not symbiotic biofertilizers? Option A, azobacter. Option B, anabina. Option C, rhizobium. Option D, VAM. So option A, azobacter is the correct option. Next question. Farmers have reported over 50% higher yields of rice by using the biofertilizers. Option A, Azolla pinnata. Option B, cyanobacteria. Option C, legume rhizobium symbiosis. Option D, mycorrhiza. So the correct option will be the option A, Azolla pinnata. Next question. Which of the following is likely to be achieved in common 2 decades? So option A is a complete understanding of brain-mind interpretation. Option B, control of the cancer. So the correct option will be the control of the cancer. This is very much important. Next question. Gobar gas contains mainly A, CH4 plus CO2, B, CH4 plus O2, C, CO2 plus H2, option D, CO2 plus SO2. So the correct option will be the option A, CH4 plus CO2. Next question, Azobacter and Bacillus polymaxia, and the example of option A symbiotic nitrogen fixtures, option B non-symbiotic nitrogen fixtures, option C ammonifying bacteria, option D disease causing bacteria. So the correct option will be the non-symbiotic nitrogen fixtures. Next question, non-symbiotic nitrogen fixtures are option A azotobacters, option C pseudomonas, and option C soil fungi, option D blue-green algae. So the correct option will be the azotobacter. Option number A is the correct option. Next question, a non-photosynthetic and aerobic nitrogen fixing soil bacterium is aerobic. It is called as aerobic. And options are A rhizobium, option B cyclo, option B clostridium, option C azotobacter, and option D Clibestilla. So the correct option will be the option C azotobacter. Option C is the correct option. So this much for today, and we have covered all the questions from this chapter which have came in last 35 years of NEET. So if you like this video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe, and share this video as much as possible, and help and share to those students who need them. Thank you.